This three-piece BLACK+DECKER Stackable Storage System combines a rolling tote, a deep toolbox, and a shallow organizer to cover everything from power tools to tiny hardware in one cohesive setup. The large wheeled base has generous capacity for bulkier gear and power tools, so you can keep your most used equipment together instead of scattered across separate bins. The mid-sized toolbox includes a removable tray that keeps frequently grabbed hand tools visible and tidy while leaving plenty of space underneath for less used items. The shallow top box is well suited for screws, drill bits, and small accessories, helping prevent the usual jumble that happens in deeper chests. Each section connects with sturdy front latches that lock together securely, yet separate in seconds, so you can grab just the box you need without wrestling with the whole stack. A telescoping handle and durable wheels make it surprisingly easy to roll the fully loaded tower between rooms, out to the garage, or into the truck for mobile jobs.